Hello viewers.
Definitions. A research question provides a focus for investigations. A research question clearly defines a significant area of interest for the individual or a group which requires investigation. A research question is the fundamental core of a research project, study, or review of a body of literature. It focuses the study, determine the methodology, and guide all stage of inquiry, analysis, and reporting. And research is the systematic process of collecting, analysis, information, data in order to increase our understanding of the phenomenon about which we are concerned or interested. Questions. The research questions begins with the research problems, an issue someone would like to know more about, or a situation that need to be changed or addressed, such as areas of concern, condition that could be improved, difficulties that need to be addressed, questions seeking answers, or at least a response which may not be an answer. It could be clarification of the question. A research problems can lead to a hypothesis and a research question. Questions should in some way be worth investigating, contribute knowledge and value to the field, improve educational practice, improve the human condition. Characteristics of a good research question. It addresses directly or indirectly some real problem in the world. It takes ethical, moral and legal issues into consideration. The question is clear. It clearly states the variables or constructs to be examined so that other can easily understand the nature of your research. Single interpretation so that people cannot get misled. Be very clear in your mind so that you can get properly engaged with it. It is not biased in terminology or positions. Don't interfere or predict answer but test possibilities. It has multiple possible answers. There must be more than one. Drafting the question. Draft research question slash hypothesis. Example: what effects did 9th November 2001 have on the future plans of the students who were high school leavers in the USA at the time of the terrorist attacks? Example: measurable did US school leavers consider enlisting in the military as a result of the attacks? Did seniors consider colleges closer to home as a result? Draft a purpose statement. Example: the purpose of this study is to determine the effects of the 9th November 2001 tragedy on the future plans of US high school leavers. Drafting the questions. Revise and rewrite the research question slash hypothesis. Example: what is the association between 9th November 2001 and future plans of US high school seniors? Revise and rewrite the purpose statement. Example: purpose statement declarative. The purpose of this study is to explore the association between 9th November 2001 and future plans of US high school seniors. Note: statements are neutral. They do not perceive an association either negative or positive. What is a research question? A question which the research set out to answer. Importance of a research question. Help define broad topics into reasonable variables. Characteristics of a good research question. Relevant, relate to the topic. Interesting, focus and specific, researchable.
Thank you.